As marketers, we know the struggle of balancing creativity with time-consuming day-to-day tasks. Crafting compelling content and stunning visuals can eat up valuable hours and resources, leaving less time for strategic thinking and big ideas. That's where our AI-powered content and image generation tools come in. Designed to save you time and increase your productivity, these features allow you to focus on what truly matters, driving impactful campaigns and bringing your visionary ideas to life. Let's dive into how to use the content and image generation tools to transform your marketing efforts. AI content generation is a game changer for marketers, dramatically reducing the time it takes to go from idea to creation. With the first draft already in place, you can concentrate on refining the message and making minor adjustments, streamlining your workflow, and enhancing overall productivity. In our use case, Boone's Bandanas, we sell products for dogs, and we want to create an email to share about our new arrivals. In the email designer, you can drag in a new structure and then a text block. Clicking into the text block, the right side panel changes, and you can find the AI icon next to the question, "What is this text about?" From here, provide a prompt and click Generate. You'll be provided with 3 options from which you can select or refine. The more you leverage this technology, the more tailored and optimized the generated content will be for your audience. AI image generation revolutionizes the way marketers create visual content by producing images in seconds, freeing up time for more strategic tasks. With the ability to input specific details, AI can bring your vision to life, ensuring the images perfectly align with your brand's identity and messaging. This technology eliminates the need for advanced design skills, allowing your team to effortlessly generate brand-consistent visuals. Let's go ahead and explore this feature to create a main image for this campaign. Click into the image block to open the Content Manager and select Generate an Image. Then enter a detailed prompt describing your desired image, including subjects, colors, themes, and patterns. Remember, the more specific you can describe your image, the better AI can generate it. Next, choose the image style from the drop-down menu and click Create an Image. Once created, you can refine your image by editing the prompt if needed. Incorporating ActiveCampaign's AI content and image generation adds unparalleled time-saving benefits to your marketing strategy, ensuring consistent, high-quality results that align with your brand. By streamlining the creation process, AI allows you to focus on strategic growth for your business. Stay tuned for more cutting-edge AI features from ActiveCampaign, your intelligent marketing platform designed to fast-track your path to success, tailored to your business needs. Happy building!
Subscribe to our channel below for more content like this. And to try ActiveCampaign free for 14 days, visit ActiveCampaign.com.